Iraqi hotel here. Iraqi restaurant. Get all your Arabic, Middle Eastern food here. Yeah, got some pizzas as well. Tay Tariq. Oh yes. I'll just zoom in so you can see it. No sex. No sex. Massage only. Welcome to the vlog, guys. You're watching G Light Travels. My name is Greg. So in today's video we're going to be going around Little Arabia in central Bangkok. It's located between Soi 3 and Soi 5 along Sukhumvit Road, and it's probably the most culturally diverse area in Bangkok. So yeah, we'll have a little mooch around, see what we can see. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so I'd literally just started vlogging. I've been walking for about 5 seconds, and then the rather rotund lady on the left sitting down shouted at something at me about my camera. She didn't like it. And then this lady here on the right hand side with the blue jeans and the light turquoise top, wearing a face mask, I must add, yeah, really didn't like my camera as well. She was pointing at me, and I heard her say in Thai, yeah, I really don't like you filming. Like, you're wearing a bloody face mask, lady. Get over it. And we're in a public space. So yeah, you got to be really careful filming around the Nana area. And this was during the day, so I was quite surprised at the kind of strong reaction from these ladies. What food do you have? Indian?
Butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, lamb curry, rogan juice.
Aha. You have Middle Eastern as well, or only Indian?
Middle Eastern also.
Oh wow, you got.
Thai food, tom yum.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. How much is curry in Indian? Chicken tikka masala. Ah, 320. Okay, that's no rice.
Yes, spicy, one spicy.
Ah,
spicy.
okay, okay.
Optional.
Okay, maybe I'll come back later. I just eaten, but yeah, thank you, bro. Thanks. It's Soi 3, guys. Welcome to Soi 3, Little Arabia. It is the infamous Grace Hotel. Up there. And all here as well. Maybe I will do a review of staying there someday, but not just yet. And it's very popular amongst the Arabic and Indian nationals. Interesting, we've got the food shop here, I think. Oh, Sada restaurants. So this is Little Arabia, Soy 3 and Soy 5. Got Iraqi hotel here. Iraqi restaurant. Get all your Arabic, Middle Eastern food here. And your shisha. I've just eaten, thank you bro. Massage and spa. That does look quite grand actually. No sex. No sex, massage only. Interesting area this. Yeah. And it really comes alive at night. It's really buzzing at night time. So then we got the little soys going back down to Soy 3 over there, and I think there's little kind of shopping complexes on the left here somewhere. Oh yeah, so that goes down to Soy 5 down there. Yeah. So what soy is this? 3/1 maybe. I've got your perfume shops here. Al Haram perfumes. More perfumes. Yeah, because the Arabics love their smelly stuff. They do smell good. Oh, look at that, very ornate. Oh look, we've got the Saudi emblem here. That is cool. Food. And we got Al Hussein restaurant since 1996. Bangladeshi, Arabic, Indian, Pakistani and Thai food. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. What they got here? Sandwiches, prata. Oh, I love a bit of prata. Shawarma. Looks like pizza to me. Yeah, got some pizzas as well. Tay tarik. Oh yes. I'll just zoom in so you can see it. Falafel. I think I'm gonna have to eat this some stage. Oh, they got all the pratas here. Nice. We've got kebabs here on the grill. Whoa. Huh. Big doggy on the loose. Right, so now we're back on Sukhumvit Main Road. So we'll go down one of the little side streets back to Soi 5. This is Glass Manor Boutique Arcade. If you want some AC, that's the place to go. Yeah, we've got loads of these little alleyways, little arcades of shops, even ACs. I'm not in between Soi 3/1 and Soi 5. Now we are on Soi 5 itself. So we've come out at Gulliver's, which used to be the place to go. Now it's not so busy. I don't think it's even open. Yeah, it's closed. Yeah, let's see what time it opens. Can't see, but yeah, it says on the door there. Yes, this is Gulliver's Tavern here. Used to be buzzing here, now it's all closed down. Don't know why. Anyway, this is the edge of Little Arabia. What's that? Sign. Yeah, it's seen better days, hasn't it? Yeah, it's a beautiful building, the Gulliver's one. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little tour of Little Arabia. Yeah, it's along Soi 3/1 and Soi 5. It's really actually quite interesting. Yeah, not a lot of bars in terms of boozing, that kind of culture, because obviously it's a more Muslim orientated area. So yeah, we're just going to finish off the vlog, continue down Soi 5 to Sukhumvit. Okay, so enjoy guys. Oh, it's glass. We got Coffee Club over there, and the Sukhumvit Boulevard. I guess that is a hotel. Yeah, I think that's a hotel on the edge of Little Arabia. Oh yeah. We've got, what's this? Foodland. Yeah, Foodland here, open 24 hours, and they do good food there. You can sit down and eat in there. It's pretty decent. And there used to be a little alleyway cut through to Soi 7. Not anymore though. Nice little restaurant, chill out hut. and then that brings us to McDonald's, and yeah, the main succumbit soy. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys.